Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 7 subject English. In this lesson I will explain the remaining part of lesson 14 in Iqra English grammar book. Exercise B. Put the correct form of the verb given in brackets students. In the brackets here are verbs students. We will use correct form of the verb to make our sentences correct. The little boy is enjoying fishing. Mrs. Ahmed killed a cockroach last night. My mother always cooks nice dishes for me. Laiba has a good nature, so everyone likes her. The maid had dusted the room neatly. My uncle will leave for Australia tomorrow. While he was running, he fell down. Did you find any money? The tiger had been chasing the deer for half an hour. The students will have submitted their reports. Exercise C. Change the tense of each of the following sentences as asked in the brackets. He did not wish to speak to you. Students, in bracket we are asked to change it into present simple tense. That's why we will use the structure of present simple tense. He does not wish to speak to you. The cars pass that shop every hour. Past tense, the cars passed that shop every hour. She had gone to Lahore. Future continuous tense, she will be going to Lahore. She will not be taking classes. Present perfect tense, she has not taken classes. They worry too much about their younger child. Past continuous tense, they were worrying too much about their younger child. I cash a check every month. Present continuous tense, I am cashing a check every month. Rubber ball usually bounce high. Future perfect tense, rubber ball will have usually bounce high. The news of uncertain disaster saddened us. Past perfect tense, the news of uncertain disaster had saddened us. Do you eat fried rice? Will you eat fried rice? They have not mixed all the ingredients. They will not be mixing all the ingredients. Future continuous tense. Exercise D. Change the following sentences according to the instructions given in brackets. Students, it will be very easy for us that we can change our sentences into interrogative sentence or affirmative sentence or negative sentence. She drank all the orange juice. Did she drink all the orange juice? They put up the prices every year. Do they put up the prices every year? Sabah will not send the clothes to the laundry. Affirmative student, we will change it into affirmative sentence. Sabah sends the clothes to the laundry. They did not broadcast an appeal for money. Did they do broadcast an appeal for money? The young man is riding slowly. Is the young man riding slowly? Has she wounded the car? She has wounded the car. She will have saved some money. Will she have saved some money? In interrogative sentence, we change it. She was cutting last vegetable. She was not cutting last vegetable. She does not cry over spilt milk. She cries over spilt milk. The president chose this hotel. The president did not choose this hotel. Exercise E. Use it, there, had, and have to fill the blanks. Like, it is 7 o'clock, there are 10 boys in the class, our garden had a hedge around it, the fruit seller had no apples, passengers have no luggage. Exercise I. Translate it into English. Students, this is also very easy for us. We have read this book. हम ये किताब पढ़ चुके हैं. This is present perfect tense. तुम दिसंबर में इम्तिहान दोगे. You will give exam in December. फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस, बच्चे दरख्त के पीछे छुप रहे हैं. चिल्ड्रन आर हाइडिंग बिहाइंड द ट्रीज. दिस इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, क्या अम्मी ने पौधों को पानी दिया. डिड मदर वाटर द प्लांट्स. दिस इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस इन इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म, वो वापस आ रहे हैं. दे विल बी कमिंग बैक. दिस इज फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, इसने अपनी ट्रेन छोड़ दी होगी. ही विल हैव मिस्ड हिज ट्रेन. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस, डॉक्टर मरीज का मुआयना नहीं कर रहा था. द डॉक्टर वॉज नॉट एग्जामिंग पेशेंट. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, हामिद ने वर्जिश की. हामिद टुक द एक्सरसाइज. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, खेल कूद हमें मजबूत बनाते हैं. गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स मेक अस स्ट्रॉन्ग. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, क्या वो अपने बिल अदा कर चुका था. हैड ही पेड हिज बिल्स. दिस इज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. So lesson 3, revision of verbs. The action verb, linking verb, auxiliary verb or modal verb that is responsible for making a group of words into a sentence is called a finite verb. While participles mean first form of verb plus ing means present participle and third form of verb past participle. So students, these are participles. These are called participles. means present participle and past participles are called participles, and base form, first form of verb, are called non-finite verbs. Exercise A, underline the finite verbs and double underline the non-finite verbs. Students, ऐसे words जो कि single underline हुए हैं these are finite verbs, और जो कि double underline हुए हैं these are non-finite verbs. Allah will give you more if you are grateful. Feed the hungry, they might have arrived. The pious man said, thorns and roses grow together. Why do you see only the thorns? Muslims must not wear clothes which are immodest. A transitive verb is a verb with an object. A verb without object is an intransitive verb. Students, ऐसे verb जिनको सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, सो दीज आर इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, दीज आर ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, वाइल ऐसे वर्ब्स जिनको ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती सेंटेंस में, दीज आर कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. Read the following sentences को पढ़ें and write in the column whether the underlined verb is transitive or intransitive. If it is transitive, circle its object also. Allah likes mildness. Students, like is transitive while mildness is its object. That's why I circled it. Javed and Rahil crept upstairs quietly. Crept, intransitive verb, having no need of object in a sentence. The gate squeezed as they opened it. Squeezed is, student, intransitive verb, having no object, while opened is transitive verb, its object is it. So I circled it. Do not make a noise in your class. Make is transitive verb, while class is its object. I circled it. He always shares his meal with his friends. Shares is transitive verb, while meal is its object. That's why I circled it.